Welcome, my name is Juanita Puddifoot from energygateways.com and I'm going to be talking about the content of Deep Memory Process training. This audio is about Module 1. The title is Guiding the Story and Core Emotional Release. Each training group is different and some content may be added or removed depending on the group's background experience and training. For example, some groups require some foundational teaching about working with clients, such as the DMP ethical guidelines, the legal requirements of record keeping, confidentiality and insurance, the importance of ongoing professional development, understanding the need for supervision with client cases, the requirement and benefits for personal therapy, and the reasons for written policies and session contracts with clients. Generally speaking, on Module 1 we will outline the developmental history and influences that have shaped Deep Memory Process into the method it is today, including the background of the renowned Jungian psychotherapist, teacher and author Roger Woolger, who created Deep Memory Process. We will explore why DMP is unique compared to other approaches and discuss the differences and outline why DMP is a regression practice with active embodiment rather than a relaxation process. DMP is not hypnosis and participants will learn about the different trance states and comparison to other methods. Participants will learn about the concept of the unfinished business and how this can manifest in a client's life. DMP techniques are used to work with a client's present-day issues which may stem from their childhood or adulthood experiences. DMP can be also used to work with the residues of what we call soul wounds, such as past life memories, ancestor influences, and the energy that does not belong to the client, which we term spirit attachments, and these can be human and non-human energies. The main focus of DMP is to bring transformation of the client's issue, which is negatively affecting them today. We use DMP to work with the 4 levels of a person, and what we mean by this is the spiritual level, mental, emotional and physical levels to bring to consciousness any stuck residues, then to work with these to bring release, healing and transformation so that the client can have change and movement in their life and the issue they are experiencing. We will also be mapping the eternal return of the soul, the philosophy of why the soul keeps returning to the earth, what happens to the spirit beyond death, and the Buddhist concept of the Bardo realms, which is the spirit realm. How the memories and residues of the past lives and the ancestor lives become attached, and the different ways that these can manifest in a person's life today. From exact replays of a past life story, such as a client who experiences reoccurring stomach issues can be carrying the residues of dying from starvation. Alternatively, a whisper of a past life can manifest in a client's life as a sense of grief and loss which does not have any links to events in their life today. An essential part of DMP is to learn how to interview a client and from this extract particular phrases and words that are charged and use these as a way into a past memory, to understand why certain phrases do not work and how to create ones that encapsulate the client's issue. Participants will learn how to use these phrases as an induction. An induction is a bridge to go to a significantly related childhood memory, a past life scene, or a section of an ancestor's life, all of which will be unresolved in some way. Participants will learn how to help the client to embody the character and the scene of the story, then to practice guiding back and forth to gain the whole story of what happened on each level, spiritually, mentally, emotionally and physically. We will clarify the importance of the tone of voice, the pace and the differing methods of directing and guiding a session, including how and why certain terminology helps the client stay in the now of the story, including how to speak directly to the character of a past life or ancestor story. In this module, we will explore and discuss the impact of trauma on the soul.